light. But I just got a prostate, so we're okay.
Say hi to the vlog, guys.
Peanut butter crackers on God for life.
That's some nigga jams.
Whose guns are bigger? Go.
Welcome. Dude, what the f? I have. It's like my fat, and then I'm skinny. Why do I have muscle?
You literally have no muscle. You have nothing.
Yes, I do. You don't
No, that's literally nothing.
I suffer.
Katie, it's your muscle.
You're such a liar. She's literally weaker than me. I could literally pick her up and throw her.
Ow. There's no muscle.
Show me.
You're lying.
Show me.
Wow. Oh my god.
Joey, wait, hold on. Unbiased opinion, no one's saying anything. Joey, look at her muscle and tell me if she has any.
Any apple.
Go.
Wait.
Yeah, but that's like everyone's.
Oh, it's a video.
When you guys squished my muscle, that really hurt.
Oh, you know why? You're flexing bone.
It's the squad. No, I'm not. Oh yeah, I am. No, I'm German. So I'm a fucking Jew. Yes.
No, that's not how that works.
The Jews were German, so I'm a fucking Jew. No. They heard you. That's what the it is. Aren't the Jews German? I mean, the Jews are German, right? No, I'm a Jew, you asshole. I'm a Nazi. Okay, I'm sorry I mixed up the fucking people.
Where's your dad?
Where's Morgan Jameston? That's all I gotta say. Where can we hook up? When can we hook up?
Carson got played by a fake girl.
So basically, I made a fake account and I pretended to flirt with Carson, and Carson believed it, and he was going on with it for months. You did. You said when you want to hook up, bro.
Oh, yeah.
You were dating me. You were literally dating me. You had her pinned. You literally had her pinned. You had a fake account pinned. You literally had her pinned. It was in 7th grade.
He doesn't behave in English.